schools and colleges is passé. Now, a Bengaluru college has started a new trend, a mobile exam.
Ever heard of professors aiding their students by giving them a mobile phone? Take a look at this then. Students in an exam hall and invigilators handing them a nice mobile phone to write the exam. And this is all happening at the Seshadripuram College in Bengaluru. It is a technology where one writes the exam on a mobile phone. Students have to register their name and roll numbers, and their respective question papers roll on their screens.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನಿಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದೊಂದು ರೀತಿ ತಿರುವು ನಾನು ಯೋಜನೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಐಪೋಮೋ ಅಂತ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವರು ಕರೆದು ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪೈಲಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Actually, it is benefited by both the students and we as the teachers. We don't have to actually carry the records and preserve the records and store the records. The registers we need not carry. Even if I miss my mobile phone here and there, I can share it with my other colleague. Even the entire data of all the streams, all the students is there, stored in all the mobiles, so I can use it.
Not only can the students give their exam on mobile, but can also access their marks in seconds after writing their exam. They can also log their attendance through the mobile phone. Every lecturer brings a mobile phone in hand instead of an attendance register. In case a student has missed a class, a message is instantly sent to his or her parents. This way, student bunking their classes has been discouraged.
And now it's modern technology, so we are very happy that our college has introduced this, and we are very lucky to have this college. Yeah, the parents also will know how much the child has bunked, all that, and they'll send a message also to parents, so it is very useful for them also and for us also.
Past 15 days, this technology has been in place and is one of its kind in the country. Shankar, News 9, Bengaluru.